Welcome to English Torrent. In this video I am going to talk about the noun, the definition of noun and the types of noun with examples. So let's start the video with the definition of noun. The simplest definition of a noun is that it refers to the names of things, persons, locations, animals, and etc. Examples of nouns: things like cup, football, shoes, tree, burger, chicken, goat. The persons such as James, Rahul, Ahmad, Joe Biden, Henry, Newton. The locations such as England, Dubai, Pakistan, London, New York, New Delhi. And the animals such as cat, dog, lion, monkey, zebra, elephant, cow, duck, crow, peacock. These are the limited examples of nouns. In English grammar, most words are nouns that refer to the names of things. 8 different types of nouns. Number 1, common noun. It refers to the names of general things, not the specific names of persons, places, things, or locations. For instance, the noun city refers to the general term. It can be any city in the world, like Islamabad, London, Istanbul, Mumbai, Dubai. The word animal is also a general term. For example, dog, cat, monkey, lion, zebra, mouse, and elephant are the specific names of particular animals. Therefore, these are not common nouns. The word dress is also a common noun, as it indicates only a common concept. There are many types of dress. The words boys and girls are also common nouns because they refer to any boy or girl in the world. Proper noun. A proper noun is a kind of noun that tells about the specific names. In the English written language, the first letter of the proper noun is capitalized to distinguish these proper nouns from the common nouns. For instance, England is a proper noun. It is the name of a specific place. John is also a specific name of a person. Quran and Bible are the 2 religious books. The names of these books are proper nouns because these nouns represent the specific name. Countable noun. Every noun which can be counted is called a countable noun. Articles can also be used with countable nouns. Book is a countable noun. There may be one book or thousands of books. We can count them. Car is also a countable noun, such as 1 car, 1,000 cars, million cars, etc. Uncountable noun. This is an opposite concept to the countable nouns. We define them as the nouns that cannot be counted. We call these nouns uncountable because they can't be counted. For example, salt, sugar, water, food, anger, happiness, soul, satisfaction. All these are uncountable nouns because we can't count them. Concrete noun. The names of things that have physical existence or being. We can analyze concrete nouns through our senses or perceptions. Everything in the physical world is considered as a concrete noun. We can see and touch the milk, sand, salt, oil, table, cake, hockey, computer, burger, vegetable, sofa, mountain, pillow, and brain. All these are the examples of concrete noun. Abstract noun. It is opposite to concrete noun. These things have neither physical existence nor can be perceived by the senses. Abstract nouns don't exist in the physical world. For example, patriotism, peace, love, anger, truth, patience, democracy, joy, intelligence, spirituality, hope. Compound noun. Compounding is a process in which two or more words combine to form a single compound noun and they act as a single unit. Compound nouns are the combination of two or more nouns. For instance, sunflower, snowball, hot dog, bed sheet, our coat, on campus, our take, intake, daylight. All these are examples of compound noun. Collective noun. A type of noun that acts as a single unit or one word, but refers to a whole group of nouns. It is the group of things, people, or animals. For instance, class, team, nation, cattle, jury, army, faculty, panel. All these are collective nouns. Thanks for watching.